CyberKnife stereotactic radiosurgery system is a breakthrough technology that gives patients new hope for the treatment of tumors and lesions located in the brain, spine, and throughout the entire body.
I tell patients to forget anything they think they've heard about radiation therapy before, anything they think they know about surgery. The CyberKnife experience is completely different.
The CyberKnife system represents a substantial leap forward in stereotactic radiosurgery, providing extraordinary advantages for doctors and patients alike. The CyberKnife system has dramatically changed the approach and scope of radiosurgery. Stereotactic radiosurgery has been in use for over 30 years and has proven to be a valuable treatment for hundreds of thousands of patients. Stereotactic radiosurgery uses multiple beams of precisely aimed radiation to destroy tumors and other lesions without invasive surgery and with minimal effect on nearby healthy tissue. A high dose of radiation is delivered to a target whose location within the body is precisely mapped through the use of CT and MRI scans. During a typical treatment, 100 or more radiation beams are delivered with extreme accuracy to the target, entering the body from a variety of angles. Each individual beam carries a small dose of radiation and won't harm healthy tissue. But because all the